All right, so I'm going to do partial products here for this lesson. First, we'll do a direct instruction where you kind of follow along using the page in your book called Double Digit Multiplication. Okay, so the first problem we're going to look at is 35 times, I want to say it's 23 if my memory is correct, 23. So you want to set up the problem like this. Okay, so first I want to draw my I want to do that. That's my 23. And then my 35. So that's the first thing I do. I've split it up into 30 and 5, 20 and 3. And now I want to draw my rectangle. Okay, and now I want to split it up into the partial areas or the partial products to make the multiplication a little simpler. So here I'm going to break it into 20 and 3. So this side is 20, this side is 3, 23. And then I want to break it into 30 and 5. So here's 30 and this is 5. Okay, so now I have this map, almost this quick array. And I'm going to use this to help me multiply. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video because you're going to draw the same exact thing right here. So go ahead and do that now. All right, so hopefully you've drawn your array. And now what I want you to do is I want you to figure out the partial product. So how much is the whole area of this rectangle multiplied by finding the products of these 4 smaller spaces and then adding them together. So go ahead and pause the video and then unpause it to see how it went. So I'm going to show it in 3, 2, 1. So let me make sure. So I kind of messed up my drawing, so I had to do it again. Well, I didn't have enough room to keep track of things. So this is the order that we're going to do it in. Okay, so I'm going to show you where I'm multiplying and kind of what's going on. So the first one we're going to do is 20 times 30. Okay, so that's here, 20 times 30. We have 20 times 30, and 20 times 30 equals 600. Now we're going to do 20 times 5 here. 20 times 5. And 20 times 5 equals 100. Now we're going to do 3 times 30, which is here. It's 3 times 30, which is equal to 90. And then finally, we're going to do 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. So again, this is 20 by 30. We have 600 here, 20 by 5, 100 in this area, 3 by 30, 90 here, 3 by 5, 15 here. We add everything up, 5, 10, 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So 805. So you should have that written here, okay, as your example. You're going to want to leave that up, and you want to see and use that as you're going on today. This is page 1 of 2, so there are 2 pages. Doing some story problem work afterwards, okay, including the challenge. All right, so remember, do 1 problem and then watch the video to see how it's going. If you get stuck, please let me know. All right, and I'm going to do 1A here in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I have 43 by 27. Sometimes I like to do 4, 1, 2, 3. So I kind of do that first. 27, I draw my lines. So we have, 20 times 40, 20 times 3, 7 times 40, and 7 times 3. So that equals 800, 60, 280, and 21, which gives us a grand total of 14, 16, 1,161. Here, let me maybe zoom in for the other ones. All right, now 38 times 28. I'm going to solve that now. So we have 38 by 28. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8, we have 8, we have 30, and we have 20. So we're going to go 20 by 30, then 20 by 8, 8 by 30, and then 8 by 8. All right, so I'm doing 4 calculations, getting partial products, adding them together to get, oh, sorry, that whole thing. I probably should have filled that in. So we have 20 times 30, which is 600. 20 times 8, which is 160. 8 times 30, which is 240. And then 8 times 8, which is 64. I wish they gave you more room. Zeros plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 6 is 16. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So 1,064. Sorry about that. Moving on to C in 3, 2, 1. So we have 36 by 18. Oh man, I didn't give myself any room over there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 30 and 6, and then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Oh boy. 10 and 8. So we have 10 times 30, 10 times 6, 8 times 30, and 8 times 6. So just as, so we go. So we have 10 times 30, 10 times 6, 8 times 30, 8 times 6. 10 times 30 is 300. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 30 is 240. And 8 times 6 is 48. We add those together. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14. 648. So 36 times 18 is 648. And D, I'm going to solve in 3, 2, 1. So I got my array. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 40 and 6. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30 and 6. Draw my lines. So we have 30 times 40, 30 times 6, 6 times 40, 6 times 6. Again, 30 times 40, 30 times 6, 6 times 40, 6 times 6. 30 times 40 is 1,200. 30 times 6 is 180. 6 times 40 is 240. 6 times 6 is 36, one of our square numbers. This should be a square in there. Zeros plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And we have a 1 left over, or 1 there hanging out by itself, for 1,656. All right, time for some story problems. Solve the story problems below. Make a labeled sketch to help you, or just use numbers. Show all your work. So I can do both. John works at T-shirt. Shirts are us. Yesterday he unpacked 36 boxes of new shirts. Each box had 24 shirts in it. How many shirts did he unpack? So this is 36 by 24. So I'm going to do this a little differently. I'm just going to do the partial products here. We got 30. Oh, sorry. Because I do this. 20 by 30. 20 by 6. 4 by 30. 4 by 6. So 4 by 30, 4 by 6. 20 by 30 is 600. 20 by 6 is 120. 4 by 30 is 120. 4 by 6 is 24. 4, 6, 8. Oh, that's cool. 864 shirts. All right, cool. Next up, John made 27 stacks of long sleeve t-shirts. He put 18 shirts in each stack. How many shirts did he stack in all? I'm going to start up sooner. 27, or up farther. 27 times 18. So we have 10 times 20. 10 times 7. 8 times 20. And 8 times 7. Those are our 4 partial products. 10 times 20 is 200. 10 times 7 is 70. 8 times 20 is 160. This is when I start getting tired and start making mistakes. 8 times 7 is 56. Add those together. 6, 13, 18, for 486 shirts. Challenge problem. Let's see if Mr. White can hold his brain together to do this. Then John made 28 stacks of short sleeve t-shirts. He put 25 shirts in each stack. The store he worked for had to pay $3.99 for each shirt. How much did they have to pay for all the shirts John stacked? I need to find out how many shirts there are and then how much that is for $3.99. All right, we got 28 times 25. So that's 20 times 20 here. 20 times 8 here. 5 times 20 here. 5 times 8 here. We got 400, we got 160, we got 100, and we got 40, 0, 10, 700 shirts, $3.99 per shirt. I'm going to think of it this way. If it was $4 per shirt, right, 700 shirts. Okay, so let me think of it this way. $1 per shirt, $700. $4 per shirt, so $1 per shirt equals $700. $4 per shirt equals $2,800. If I take 1 penny away, 700 times, that's 700 cents or $7. So I'm going to remove $7. I can make this, no, I just know that's 93. That's $2,793.00. Did I do that right? I hope I did that right. You tell me if I got that wrong. Bye.